video is going to show you how to redeem a credit available in your account. So once you get logged in as a member, you should see a balance of overpayment in the bottom corner. If you don't see anything there, you can always go into your record, check your invoices and payments, and it's going to tell you about the overpayment amount in this top corner. So you're going to go back to your profile, and you are going to go into the Renew button. It's going to open up the fields, so you're going to scroll down and check everything in your record, make sure it's okay. You want to double check your modalities that are checked. You can update your years in practice, any kind of business information you want shown in the member directory, any areas of specialty. Double check that your additional insureds match the ones listed below. And then when everything looks good, you're going to go to the very bottom and you're going to hit Next and Update. Then from here, it's going to give you the option to pay online or to invoice me. And what you want to do is go to Invoice Me. And you want to go to this exclamation point where it says Invoices and Payments, because when you get there, it's going to show you the amount that you owe, but it's also going to have the option to choose that overpayment to put towards your balance. So once you click that, your balance is changed, the $10 is taken off, and then you can go to the Pay Online, and the amount due should be the smaller amount with the invoice given. So this will redirect you to a PayPal portal. Again, you can pay with a debit or credit card here, and then the payment due is the amount minus the credit.